Welcome back to this third and final video, diving into how to use the library best. In this one, we're going to talk about how to get expert help from the library and the types of services that we offer to you as hybrid students at GTS. So let's go through an example first. Say that I'm in a liturgical history class and I talked to my professor afterwards and after the class ended, and I was looking for some books that might help me understand the prayer book a little bit better and the theology behind it. And they recommended that I take a look at a book by Marion Hatchett called Commentary on the American Prayer Book. Marion Hatchett was involved in the creation of 1979 BCP. So I'm going to go to the library's catalog and see if we have that book. Typed in part of the title, author's last name. That usually gets you pretty good results. Here's the book. And these are all book reviews. So there's book reviews and the actual book. This is a physical book. This is not an ebook. So since I'm in your instance, mostly distance hybrid student, what do I do now? Well, we do offer to ship ebooks. We actually pay for outgoing and return shipping via the U.S. Postal Service. So if there's a book that we have that's only in hard copy form, you have a couple options. One, maybe your research is only involved on a particular rite within the prayer book, and so you could send us an email and ask for a scan of just those 10 pages. I'd be happy to do that. Usually we can give you a scan turnaround in 24 or 48 hours, even less if it's during the weekday. Another thing we offer you is to ship books. We can ship you up to 5 books at a time. We pay for outgoing and return shipping, as I said. And all you need to do is tell us what you want. So I might copy the call number, which will be nice and convenient for the librarians to help you best. If you go back to the main library website, there's a form over here called Ask a Librarian. If you click on that, it'll just take you to a brief form here. Type in your name, your email address. Of course, I spelled my name wrong. Type in your email address. That way we can reach back out to you. Say who you are, a GTS student, and what is your question? I'd like this book. Can you ship it to me? My address is XYZ. And just to be convenient for us, you can send us the call number. You can also use the link. So every book has a link, which if you use the 3 dots over here, click share, create link, copy that link. You can also just copy that link here, and that'll make sure we know exactly what you want. So that's really all you have to do. Just have to tell us, could you mail me this book? And then we'll mail it to you. Usually the mail picks it up from the library every day. Just hit submit, and that form will go to the library staff, and we'll get back to you very soon, and the book will be on its way to you, and you'll have it in a few days. You have a 6-week checkout period for books that we mail to you. Usually you can renew them up to 2 or 3 times before we really need it back, unless another student wants it. So how else can we help you? I would encourage you to look at the Using the Library tab over here. The Using the Library tab has a lot of information about the library services we offer. And on this tab, sorry, it's loading. On this tab, there's also a distance hybrid learning students page, and this talks about all the ways that we try to help and serve you. Using the Ask a Librarian form on our website homepage is the quickest way to reach out to us. 4 members of the library staff monitor those entries, and so you can usually get a really quick response depending upon who's watching it which day. You can use that for any kind of question you have, troubleshooting, access, lost your barcode, want a book shipped to you, or you want to set up a research consultation and get some help. You want to help developing some good research strategies or help from librarians to help you figure out which books might be good for your research topic. You can use the form to do that. You can also call the circulation desk. The number is posted here during our opening hours. Circulation desk staff will answer that, and they'll help you with your question, or they'll refer you to another member of the staff. You can also just really quickly schedule a meeting with me. I'd love to meet with you about pretty much anything. If you click that schedule a meeting button, it'll take you to my Calendly form, and all you gotta do is pick the best time that works for you and enter your name. Say you want to do a Zoom meeting, hit schedule, and then an event will automatically be added to both of our calendars with a Zoom link. And right when that Zoom meeting is supposed to start, you'll see my face on the computer, and we'll have a good chat. We also have research guides you can look at. The other thing I want to point out is that we are part of the ATLA reciprocal borrowing program here. This is a program, it doesn't replace the services that we offer you, because we do want to be the library that supports you. We ship you books, we have a lot of ebooks, journal articles, of course. But for those of you who live near another seminary library, you can go to that link, click the map, see what library near you is part of this program. If there's a library near you that's part of the program, you can get borrowing privileges at that library. So maybe you really prefer being at a physical library to study, it helps you focus, or you really just like browsing the stacks, seeing what's there, using the physical books a lot. This is an opportunity for you. So if you live in Chicago, for example, there's about 7 libraries that are part of this program, different seminary libraries, different traditions, but they might have some good resources for you. So you can always take advantage of that. If you want to take advantage of this program, just reach out to us, tell us what library you're interested in, and we'll go ahead and initiate contact with that library so it's as easy as possible for you to set up a borrowing account with them. That's how you can get help with us. Just as a reminder, Ask a Librarian button is really the easiest way to do that. You'll get the quickest and best response that way. And I'm also really eager to meet with you over Zoom if you have any questions about using the library, or if I can help you do some research for your class papers. Hope this is helpful for you, and I really look forward to learning more about your interests and helping students, and learning more about what you're interested in researching in is the best part of my day. So please take advantage of that. It's my job. I get paid to do that for you.